Welcome to this review of the Olympus Stylus 810 8 megapixel digital camera. Okay, so let's take a look at the inputs. Right here is the charger port, power button, shutter button, flash, tripod mount. Okay, so I'm going to turn the camera on. Now, as you can see, it has a 3x optical zoom. And here's the zoom button. Here is how to turn the flash on and off. It's off now. Now it's on. Now if I want to take a precision photo to get details, you can set the macro function. So this is to turn it on and off. Right now it's on. Now it's off. Here's a guide to help you use the camera. And here's the video function. Okay, so I'm going to take a picture. I want to take this picture with the flash off. The flash is on right now. To turn the flash off, go to flash. Okay, and now the flash is off. Okay, so I'm going to take a picture. Okay, so I just took a picture. Now to see the picture that you took, go to the playback function. And there's the picture. Now to delete the picture, go to delete. Go to yes. Yes has to be highlighted in red. Go to OK. And the picture is deleted. Back to camera. Okay, so I'm going to power the camera off. To release the battery, just push this down. And that's how you remove the battery. To release the memory card, push to eject. And there you go. This was a review of the Olympus Stylus 810 8 megapixel digital camera. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.